Hey there, Donna Hoffman here, your interior design advocate and advocate in all things design. So fabric can be kind of confounding and kind of confusing. Why? Well, there's a lot more to it than just a single flat paint color. Well, in this three-part series, I'm going to be demystifying fabric for you, starting with some key terms that are deal breakers when you're trying to find the right fabric for your needs. So if you're selecting fabric for a window covering versus a piece of upholstery versus for an accent pillow, there are different things to consider. So here are some terms you may have heard or read, and I'll tell you the real skinny on what they mean. So hand is the first term, and the hand on a fabric refers to how it feels. Pretty tactile, right? Does it feel soft and sleek, or does it feel rough and tough? So the hand on a fabric is something you really want to consider for upholstery. What type of texture are you looking for tactily? The next thing you want to think about for fabric choices is the drape. If something is going to be done in a drapery panel, you can't have a really stiff upholstery fabric. That would never do. You want to think about something that will actually take folds well and be able to be turned into an easy window covering, whether you like pattern or here's something that we used on a project recently, and it's just a really great, simple, easy drape in a nice gray. So the hand is how something feels. The drape is how something will hang. And then the last term that's really important is suitability. Suitability has to do with what end use is a fabric correct for. For example, here's a beautiful fabric from Durally, and when I look at the rating for durability on it, this would not be suitable for upholstery. Doesn't have the right durability rating. So suitability has to do with what's the end use. Is it something that will be for upholstery? Is it something that will be used for window coverings? Is it something that will be used for a cushion? Your hand, your drape, and your suitability. Make sure you get clear on that terminology, and it will help to align your thinking as you're picking the correct fabric for your needs. And in our next part of this video series, I'm going to be talking about the 4 layers of fabric that confuse everyone, but they won't after you see this next part.